Happy September. Now, I apologize for the delay. Life has been lifing, but I am here. I have not gone anywhere. So, here are the new codes for September. So, make sure you know that these codes will expire. Actually, will be what? October 4th now, and it'll be good for a month. Take these quiz on now WAYGROUND codes as many times as you like, and I hope that you enjoy studying. These are the codes for Mama Tricks. These codes will expire on October the 4th. These codes are for any individual who is taking the National Clinical Mental Health Counseling exam. And thank you for taking time out for these Wayground codes and being here with me since day one or whenever you came to my channel. I am grateful to have you here. You matter. Your opinion matters, your voice matters, and I wanted to let you know that you are going to pass your exam. Keep studying, keep being focused. And if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel just to get updates for new things that comes out, be my guest. So I hope to see you next month.